Oh my gosh, I am so excited to show you this home. If you're looking for a home that has 5 bedrooms and over $55,000 off the price of the home, well then stick around, you may be interested. We're in Litchfield Park, Arizona. The community is Allen Ranches and our builder is Pulte Homes. And right behind me, we have 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage. It has an office, it has a guest suite downstairs, it has a guest suite upstairs. Beautiful, beautiful home. Plus, it's over 3,500 square feet. And again, $55,000 off the price of a home. Allen Ranches, Litchfield Park. Pulte is the builder. Me, Mary Kay Marino, I'd be honored to work for you as your realtor. Remember, leave me a comment below, and now let's go. Alrighty, so here's walking up to this beautiful Starwood, beautiful, beautiful home. And remember, if you want my new home builder guide, the do's and don'ts of buying a home, all you have to do is text the number on the screen, new, and we'll get it to you. And here's the door, and it says, come on in. So let's go ahead and go on in. Alrighty now. You're gonna love it. If you need a lot of bedrooms, you're going to absolutely love this home. So standing right here in front of the front door, I'm gonna turn to the right. Garage door entrance from one of the garages. That's your 2-car garage side. Right here is going to be your coat closet. I'll open that so you can see it. There you go. And then right across from that, dun da da da, that's your favorite room. Yay! They are showing it with a nice big window so you don't get so sad and depressed. Then as we back out of here, brings us right back into, that's your front door. And then this is your walkway into the home. Isn't that super duper nice? Alrighty, so as we walk in, turning to the right, your office, your den, your flex room downstairs. Really nice, nice window out to the side. Walk you in here. Very, very good. And then as I back up, directly across, right here, your formal dining room area. Or if you don't want to use it as a formal dining room, you want to use it as another living room area, or maybe a pool table room area, you have plenty of space for it. Let me back up so you can see what that looks like. And I'll come over on this side so you can get another angle of it. There you go. Very, very, very nice. How about that? And then as we walk back down and around, we're not going to go in there yet. We're going to turn left. We're going to go look at your guest suite downstairs. Yes, remember I said you had one. Here is garage door entrance coming in from your 1-car garage. Right here is going to be your half bath guest bath. And then backing up from that is going to be linen and storage right here. Very nice. So now as we back up, this is going to be your guest suite downstairs. So as we walk in here, I'm going to turn the fan off here from the bedroom bathroom area. There we go. Sorry about that. But as we walk into the bedroom, nice window out to the backyard. And a very nice sized bedroom. Let me show you the closet. Walk-in closet here. You have one rod there and one there. If you were to have high-lows, oh my gosh, you'd have much more room. And then backing up, I'll give you another angle of this room. It's a very nice sized room. And again, you have a window out to the backyard. Exiting out of here, bring you into the bathroom. Here is the bathroom for this bedroom. And they're showing it with a nice walk-in shower, a huge window above. Going to get a lot of natural light in here. And I give you another look at the vanity. And then remember, the linen closet for here is just across the hallway right there. So one guest suite downstairs, you're going to have another one upstairs, remember. So as we exit here, give you another look of the formal dining room area. Isn't that pretty? Nice window out to the front area, the front courtyard entryway area. We're going to walk through it, and I'm going to show you the office again. Next to the office is going to be your Harry Potter closet. And yes, I'll take you in to see Harry's home. That's a lot of storage. Let's walk on in. You don't even have to bend down. It goes all the way around and down. That's pretty cool. A lot of these closets, when you come through here, you have to bend down so you don't hit your head on that coat hanger rod. Okay, backing up. Now we're going to go into the main part of the house. This is absolutely gorgeous. You're going to love it. Go ahead and enjoy. Alrighty, so now let's bring you back into the kitchen. That was a long time watching you viewing the main part of the house, if that made any sense. There's just so much to show. I did not want to rush you through it. That's why I took my time showing you everything. But look at this huge island here. It is a very large island and it's wide. And it's showing it with the chef kitchen. It has an electric stovetop with a nice stainless steel hood above it. And over at the end, they have a wall microwave, a wall oven, and a nice place here for your coffee bar area. As we walk into the kitchen and we are going to turn to the left, you have another area, service area right here. Cabinets below and above. And then look at this nice pantry. Then as you walk through, you have easy access right into your formal dining room area. Turning around, I'm going to bring you back through, give you another look. Then as we walk on through, give you another look of the kitchen on this side. What do you think of this one? Pretty darn nice. Absolutely love it. It's a big house. Over 3,500 square feet home. This one's going to be 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. And I will show you all that upstairs. That's where all the options and changes come into play. And then you also get this nice large dining area. You have a slider glass door off to the side, a nice large window out to the backyard. This area is another nice area. Now, some homes have it with a nice wall here and they use it as a storage area. They're showing it as another work area. Very, very nice. If you're needing a home with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, you definitely may want to consider it, especially with the savings over $55,000 discounted on this. Here's the look going up to the stairs. Very, very nice. And we have 2 options regarding this one. I will go over all your options here. So here are the stairs up. Let's mosey on upstairs, show you what's up there. I'll meet you upstairs. Alrighty, so this is upstairs. This is the looking down there. Isn't that beautiful? I love all the windows up here and the natural light. And this is where the options are going to be. They have one with this huge loft, but that's not the one with the savings on it. Here is why. They're going to turn this loft into a guest suite. So it's going to have a large bedroom, bathroom, closet. It's going to be a huge suite up here for somebody. You have a lot of nice windows up here. Backing up, we're going to go down the hallway, all the way to the end. Turning to the right, bring us to the primary. Look at this primary. It's really, really large. Nice window out to the back. Give you another look on this side. Then as we walk through the primary into the bathroom, double sinks, soaker tub, walk-in shower, and a nice large window to the side. Then as we turn around the corner here, right there's your water closet, and then we'll walk into the clothes closet for you. Here we go. High-low bars. Very, very, very nice. Down here and all the way around, and some shelves in your closet. Give you another look at it. So if you're looking for a home with 5 bedroom, discounted over $55,000, you may want to consider this one. Coming out, there's your vanity. Hello! I hope you're having a marvelous day. It is a beautiful, gorgeous day out here in Arizona. Bringing you back into the primary, another look at that. Look how huge that is. Oh, there I am again. Hello! Just can't get away from the mirrors. And as we exit and go out of here, here is guest bedroom number 1 upstairs. Remember, we have a guest suite downstairs. So this is a regular bedroom with walk-in closet. Very, very nice. Then turning to the right, this is going to be the shared bathroom. 2 sinks is always a plus. You have linen right there. You have the toilet, nice big window, and they're showing it with a tub and shower combination. Let me show it to you. I'll back up for you, just so that you can see that. And then as we exit out of this, we're going to walk down the hallway, and this is guest bedroom number 2 upstairs. Nice big window out to the front. It's a nice sized bedroom, actually. Then as we walk past this, I'm going to show you the closet. And again, another walk-in closet. And I'll walk in and then walk out and give you another view of that. And then as we exit here, I want to show you some things here. We have a door, behind door number 1. We have more hanging closets. And then right over here is a nice double door storage linen closet. Let me show you that to you. This is really nice. It goes, it just needs 1 more shelf, please. Thank you very much. But you know what I always say, they didn't ask me. So I'm going to walk up, turn around, give you a recap up here. So down here and to the left, to the right, I'm sorry, is your primary. Right over here is going to be your shared bathroom, guest bedroom 1, guest bedroom 2. Then as we walk down this hall, these are where your options are going to take place. And if you are interested in the home that's going to be discounted over $55,000, you won't have this big, huge loft because they are going to make it into a very large guest suite. Full bathroom, bedroom, closet area. It's going to be huge, very, very, very nice. However, if you want this loft and you don't need that extra guest suite upstairs, they have another one like that available as well. All you have to do is reach out to me. I will get you all the details on that one. But right now I wanted to show you this one. It's the same floor plan, just different upgrades for the one that I'm talking about that's discounted over $55,000. And remember, if you want my new home builder's guide, the do's and don'ts of buying a new home builder, all you have to do is text me new with the number on the screen. So here are the stairs down. Let's go downstairs. All right, so this is kind of downstairs, not actually. I have like 6 stairs to go down, or steps to go down. I wanted to give you a look of it. It's kind of neat. I will give you a quick recap down here. Watch. I'm going to bring you back up to the front. Front door. There's your garage door entrance, and then your laundry room right over there. Coming around. Nice large office. Swing you around here is going to be your formal dining room. Walking past this, guest half bath, and then down here is going to be your guest suite downstairs. So swinging you back around, I'm going to bring you through the butler's pantry area, right into this big, beautiful kitchen area. How about all that? That is pretty darn nice. So they have two of these available, and like I said, they have one that's discounted over $55,000 off the price of the home. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Alrighty, here's FYI for you, the home buyer. Anytime and every time you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. In fact, always remember to bring us. Why? Because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are, and they're definitely going to be nice and sweet to you, who do you think they work for? They definitely don't work for you. They work for the seller and the builder. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to? Of course you do. You want to make sure that you have representation and protection only for you, not for you and the seller. And that's called exclusive representation, and we'd be honored to work for you on that behalf. So very important here. Don't go inside and register. Don't go online and register, because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody watching your back from beginning and to end and everything in between. So make sure you reach out to us. Call, text, or email us. What are you waiting for? We're waiting. So let's give you a recap on this home. And this is the home that I'm going to recap you on with the $55,000 discount savings on the price of the house. It's called the Starwood. It is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, an office downstairs, a guest suite downstairs, guest suite upstairs, 2 guest bedrooms upstairs, and the primary is upstairs as well. And remember, same floor plan as this, just different upgrades in the home I am talking about. The price on the home started at $663,427, but with your discounts, over $55,000 of discounts, it comes all the way down to $608,290. So if you're looking for a home with 5 bedrooms, this is something you definitely want to consider. And again, Litchfield Park, Arizona, Allen Ranches is the community, and Pulte is the home builder. The HOA out here is $105 a month. And what do you get? Well, I'll tell you. How about a nice, big, huge pool? You have basketball courts, barbecue areas, picnic areas, playgrounds. You have cornhole. You have grassy parks for both the 2-legged and the 4-legged kids. And of course, walking trails throughout the whole community. And just a reminder, if you want the loft, you don't need an extra suite upstairs. They also have another home like that available. All you have to do is reach out to me. But the home, about $55,000 worth of savings, that's going to be ready in 2026. February to March. So make sure you reach out to us to let us help you with it. We'd be honored to work for you. And in case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot who I am, my name is Mary K. Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you, looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in-state, out-of-state, or from even another country, that's perfectly fine with us. And also your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's all right too, because we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible to make sure also your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across the finish line to homeownership here in Arizona. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Make sure you call, text, or email me. I would be honored to work for you. And like I always say, till I see you around town next time, show you around town next time. Have a marvelous, awesome, incredible, spectacular day. See you next time.